Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing good. So today I'm going to talk about TBS Expert at Chegg. So basically Chegg is an American educational company which provides you the digital and physical textbook rentals, online tutoring and other student services. So there are two types of expert on Chegg. One is question answer expert, another one is the textbook solution expert or TBS expert. So this is a good opportunity for all the students, irrespective of their background. Even if you are from a mathematics background or a science graduate or an engineering graduate, you can register at Check for TVS Expert because there are multiple subjects available there. So in this video, I will be showing you how to register for TBS Expert at Check, and I will show you one of my answers here and the payment which I received from them. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, guys, so what you need to do here first, you have to go to Google and just type Check India. So once you type the Check India, you will get the link over there, subject matter expert at Check. So there are two options available here, question answer expert sign up, and then other one is the TVS expert sign up. So we'll be going for the TVS expert sign up here. So let me click on that. Okay, so once you click on that TVS expert sign up, you will get the sign up page here. So we'll wait for some time. So we'll get the sign up page. On the top, you can see the subjects available here. So you can see there are multiple subjects available. Business, in business we have accounting, economics, operation management, finance. In engineering we have chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, mechanical engineering. So here I will be showing you the solution for mechanical engineering, which I have solved, and the payment which I have received from the check. So here I will show you one of my sample solution. In our science section, we have advanced physics, biology, chemistry, and physics. In mathematics, advanced math, basic maths, calculus, statistics, probability, and other maths are there. In healthcare section, you can see nursing, psychology, and earth science. Okay, so based on the information which they have asked on the sign up page, you have to provide all the details here. So once you provide all the details, you need to select the subject here. You can see the subject. So you have to select the subject here. So based on your preference, you can select the subject and then the subdomain. So what you have to do after this, once you have filled this sign up page, they will test your subject knowledge. So they are going to take one test, and you need to clear that test in order to become a successful TVS expert at Chegg. So you need to score minimum 60% of the total marks. Okay, so once you clear that test, you will be becoming a successful TVS expert at Chegg India. Okay, so here I will be showing you one of my solution which I have solved for Chegg here. So this is the one of the solution for mechanical engineering which I have done, and I got the payment for that. So this is one of my solution here. The one thing which I want to mention here, because when I did this solution for the first time, it got rejected because I didn't use the math type extension here. Because when you are typing the equation here, you need to use the math type extension. You can see on top here, I have this math type extension. So you need to add this extension on your Word file to type the equation. If you are writing an equation, then you need to type in the math type. Otherwise, they will tell you to again submit the solution. Okay. So this is the format you need to. This is the book ID. You have to. They will send you the mail. Once you register for that, you have to claim the assignment or questions from the subject domain subdomain. So once you have claimed, so you need to provide that book ID and then the chapter number and then the problem number, and this will be your employee ID and then the date which you are solving this one. Okay, so once you are done with this, you can write the solutions and you can send it to them. So once it is gets approved, okay, so you will be getting the payment for that particular solutions in the next month. So they have the payment cycle of 15 to 15th. So here you can see, if you go to now, okay, so let me show you my uh, payment section here. You can see which I have received for the May. So in this particular thing, you can see the subject which I have selected, mechanical engineering, the book ID, and the rate. So per question, you will be getting around. So it varies. You can get 175 or 220. So based on the question and the subject domain you are selecting. Okay. So this was all about the TVS expert at Check. Okay, guys. So if you have any other queries or any other doubt regarding TBS expert at Check, so you can comment those things in the comment box. I will definitely try to reach each of you. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you all in my next video.